How to create realistic voice using TTS online. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply go to Google Chrome browser. Here you guys will simply search for Love Voice AI. So I will simply search for Love Voice AI. Once we search for that, here you guys will simply click on that first website. Once we click here you guys will see that type of interface. Like we will wait for some seconds. Here you guys will simply click on top right corner these three lines and you guys will simply sign up, and once you sign up, here you guys will see text to speech. So here you guys will simply write your text. For example, I am writing how are you. It was just for example. You guys can convert up to 20,000 characters in single generate. After that you guys will see language voice. So simply in language you guys will select the text language, and in voice you guys can select the voice. You guys have a lot of options. After that you guys will simply click on generate audio. Also you guys can adjust the sound by clicking here. Now click on generate audio. Here we will wait for some seconds.
How are you?
Here we go, our voice was ready.
How are you?
For downloading that, simply click on that download option. Thanks for watching.